Okay, we were just studying about what is cooperative and collaborative learning. We have discussed that there are some benefits for cooperative and collaborative learning. So with collaborative and cooperative learning, so that's valuable for the individuals because it is building the individual's performance. Okay, individual performance and also they progress also quickly. And then this group work helps the students who have difficulty in social skills. If they are not good at social skills, they are trying to improve their social skills. How? We'll understand. That is, suppose the student gets quickly and he's quickly agitated and anxiety, and there is a lot of anger comes out very quickly. Suppose a student is like that because he is always in the agitated mood. Then when he works together, all his level comes down and he is able to cooperate. So the group work helps him to develop the social skill and he becomes more cooperative with others. So how to talk with others, how to deal with others, all this he will learn. And then is they're confident because they say that you have done very nice, your contribution is good. So naturally the students' confidence increases and they recognize that yes, they understand about their value and they recognize themselves. That is also one of the important point. And then means many different types of students work together, so inclusivity encouraged. Okay, because different types of students are there in the group and they don't differentiate among themselves, they work together. So inclusivity of the group is encouraged, and there is no such thing as they will not differentiate them as average child or good child, something like that. So this cooperation allows them to child work and their strength also increases. But despite all these benefits, the effective cooperative and collaborative learning does not necessarily come easy. Okay, and may require a change in the mindset for everyone involved. So their mindset should change, that this will help me, and then only they will work properly. So the mindset plays very important role. This world is work under collaboration. You know that whole world, that is how it works. So teachers actually create the well-rounded citizen who is ultimately dealing with the world. They will be living in this world. So it helps them to succeed also. So this cooperative skills helps them succeed not only in their education but also in future work, and also person as individual, and their life skills also increases. So it helps them in their personal lives also. So in childhood, what they learn in the child, that is helpful in their adult life also. This is all about the cooperative and collaborative learning, right? Now we go to the Jigsaw technique. So what are the teaching strategies in mathematics? Okay, we can just discuss about what are the teaching strategies in mathematics, right? Teaching strategy, there are some methods like lecture method, okay, lecture and discussion method, cooperative and collaborative learning, Jigsaw method, and think, pair and share method, right? What are they? We'll see. What is a lecture method? You know what is a lecture method? Teacher stands and just explains. It is based on the three sources, which makes it an lecture and discussion method. We know already, right? It is on the lecture as well as the discussion. It is based on the effective tool of learning. That is a schemata. It uses what students already know by build their existing background. And also somebody is lecturing and discussion also. There's a discussion also. So lecture happens as well as discussion. Teacher is allowing the students to discuss also. So that because of this, active learning also is there is an active learning also, right? Then application of lecture discussion method. How it is useful? 9 events of instruction learning. That is gain attention. Okay, in the instruction event, they gain attention. Stimuli, that is internal mental processes, stimuli activate receptors, means they are able to receive the things very quickly. Inform learners to in learners of objectives. So what are the objectives are involved in that? Learner know. So create the level of expectation of learning. They understand that this is what is expected. Teacher already shares with them these are the objectives. So they understand that these are the things expected from me. Then stimulates the recall of prior learning. Whatever they learned before, it helps them to stimulate the prior learning. Present the content, okay? It helps to present the content, right? Present the content. Selective perception of content. Whatever content is there, they are able to understand that this is what I am going to learn, right? So next is provide learning guidance. It helps in learning guidance and elicit performance practice, and also provide feedback. In this there is a feedback session also. Then assess their performance, how far I have done, and also enhance retention. This is for longer period of time. The retention happens for longer period of time. Next is cooperative and collaborative learning. That is what we discussed in the previous class. What is cooperative and collaborative learning? So cooperative learning is a method of teaching and learning in which students team together. So there is a team together to explore a significant question or create a meaningful knowledge. What they do is, in this both type of learning, if you talk about the collaborative learning, where the this is a type of teaching and learning where the students team. So there is a team for them to learn. So they team together to means they are going to find some question. They are going to find where they create a team, and the question they are going to find about the answer of that question, or they are creating meaningful learning. Then cooperative learning. What is cooperative learning? It is specific kind of collaborative learning, I can say, where students work together in a small group on structured activity. That's an activity that's structured. They are individually accountable. So each and every student is accountable, and they work together as a whole. Okay, and it also whatever is output, it is also assessed. Cooperative group work face to face and learn to work as a team. So they work as a team together. So why cooperative and collaborative learning? That is a shift. Okay, that's a small shift in the learning from the traditional learning, that is lecture method, to that was teacher-centered method, and we are shifting from the teacher-centered method to the student-centered method. So model of cooperative and collaborative learning. There are plenty of models of cooperative collaborative teaching learning. They are known as Jigsaw, puzzle, think, pair, share. These are the examples of cooperative and collaborative learning. What are they? Jigsaw puzzle. One is jigsaw puzzle, think, pair, share. These are the examples of the cooperative and collaborative learning. Now, emphasis on the following. Why there is a cooperative and collaborative learning? The first thing is socialization. They try to understand that I'm not alone living in this world. There are so many people. So how to deal with others, how to be helpful to others, and how I can get help from others. So they can how to talk to others in group, everything. So socialization happens, and they do care others, so others too exist. So socialization happens. Externalization, it's not only me, others also exist. Combination, they combine together. Internalization means they internalize. Yes, everybody accommodate, their heart tries to accommodate. Okay, what is the features of each integrated process? Socialization involves in sharing of knowledge between the individuals. They share their knowledge. Externalization, this requires the expression of tactic knowledge and its translation into comprehensible forms. Means whatever knowledge they have, and they try to explain them so that everybody understands whatever they want to say. Okay. Next is combination. Involves the conversion of explicit knowledge into more complex sets of explicit knowledge, that is fitting the elements of knowledge together. So many knowledge are combined together, we can say. Next is internalization, where newly created knowledge is converted from explicit knowledge into their organization's tactic knowledge. Means whatever they learn, okay, and they become a part of themselves. So it becomes internalized. How do spiral model describe the model integration? Okay, knowledge creation is a spiraling process of interaction between explicit and tactic knowledge. So there is an explicit knowledge, there is an inside we ourselves have some knowledge. So using this, there's a spiral going on, like a circle things is going on. So this interaction between them becomes a creation of new knowledge. Right? So sharing tactic knowledge, creating the concept, then the concept is justified, building some architecture, something is built and then combined together, then cross-level knowledge. Tactic knowledge is highly personal, right? It depends upon your own individual knowledge, and hard to formalize. You cannot formalize because it depends upon the individual, right? Explicit knowledge are the ones that are learned in the school. So what we learn from outside is known as the explicit knowledge. So learning activity. Students will perform a team of 5 members, okay, and they will discuss the special products and factoring as a preparation of for the problem to be posed by the teacher on the board. With the help which the group will have to solve. That is socialization. What students are doing, learning activity, what you can do is students will form a team with 5 members. 5 members together they form a team and they will discuss the special products. Okay, they'll discuss about what are they going to do as special products and factoring as a preparation for the problem to be posted by the teacher, and they're waiting for the problem to be posted by the teacher on the board, which the group will have to solve. Now they're waiting for the problem to be solved. The teacher will then post a problem on the board. Now teacher is posting a problem on the board. Student will solve and form a consensus. Yeah, this may be the problem, this may be the solution, and this for example 4 members together is a group, and these 4 members means all agree with this solution. They will make and present in the group presentation. That is externalization. Next comes the combination. The agreed solution of the entire group will then be written on the paper. They will write it down. This is my solution, and this will be the solution that they will present in the class. And then internalization. Aside from the group solution, each student will be required to submit their individual solution to the problem written as a piece of paper. So not only the group presentation, so each and every individual also write their own solution. Okay. What is the Jigsaw? Okay, Jigsaw method. Jigsaw method is a type of cooperative method. One second. Jigsaw method. Jigsaw method is a type of cooperative learning technique in which students work in small group. Students are working in small group, and Jigsaw can be used as a variety of ways for variety of goals. For some different ways you can use it, but it is primarily used for the acquisition and presentation of new material, review or informed debate. So actually it is used for a new material, okay, to get the knowledge, and a material is presented or whatever they know, they review it, and informed debate also we can say. Next is the strategies allow. Okay, What is how to do the Jigsaw method?